this video, I will show you how to create and send PayPal invoice. So to get started, go ahead and open PayPal on your browser. So you cannot do this on your mobile. So go ahead and sign into your account and then click on this create an invoice button. Now, in here, you need to go ahead and enter the email address or name of the one that you want to bill. So if you want to bill multiple customers, you can do that by clicking on bill multiple customers, but I'll bill one single customer for this video. And then make sure that that customer has a PayPal account to be able to create an invoice for them. So this is a very necessary step. Now, go ahead and name the items that this customer bought, such as the item name, the quantity, the price, and if it does have a tax, you can go ahead and incorporate that as well. So you can also incorporate a description for the specific item so that it would be easily specified by the customer. So once you have added that, you can go ahead and proceed and add another item to the invoice. Now, once you're done, you can go ahead and send this invoice by clicking on the send button at the top right of your screen. So on the more options section, you can go ahead and add attachments and notes for this invoice. So make sure to finalize the invoice first before you send it to the customer.